Hello everyone, I am Karina Babbar, student of BCom Semester 4 K1. I am here to present my topic World Trade Organization. First of all, I would like to thank our college principal Dr. Mrs. Ajay for providing all the required resources for the completion of this seminar. Secondly, my heartfelt gratitude to our seminar lecturer Mrs. Binu Gupta, Associate Professor of PG Department of Commerce and Management, who providing all her guidance and the suggestion for completion of this seminar efficiently. Now let's start with this topic. First of all, these are the contents to be discussed. Fact file of the World Trade Organization, introduction, history, functions, World Trade Organization agreement, members and its country, objectives, merits and demerits, list of the past director journal, various trade round, principle and last is conclusion. First of all, this is fact file of World Trade Organization. The location is Geneva, Switzerland. It was established in January 1, 1995. It was created by the Uruguay Round negotiation in 1986 to 1994. There were total 164 members of World Trade and the secretarial staff is 625 and it was budgeted as a 197 million Swiss francs for 2019. The head of the WTO is Roberto Azevedo. Now let's start with the introduction. The World Trade Organization is an intergovernmental organization that is concerned with the regulation of international trade between the nations. World Trade Organization is established to establish a link between the different nations. Suppose the India is connected with the other foreign country for the trade. It was commenced on the January 1, 1995 under the agreement which was signed by the 124 nations on 15th April 1994. It was firstly replacing by the JET, the General Agreement on the Tariffs and the Trade, but it is the largest economic organization in the India. It's a history. The World Trade Organization precedes the General Agreement on Tariff and Trade was established by multilateral treaty of 23 nations in 1994. Afterwards, it was started after the World War II in the wake of other new multinational institutions. The economic corporations such as the World Bank and the International Monetary Fund was also established with the help of the WTO. It is continued that a comparable institution for the trade named International Trade Organization never started as the USA. The USA and the other signatory company did not accept the name WTO. So after the some struggle, after the name of the JET, it was established as the WTO Ministerial Conference, the higher decision-making body of the WTO, usually established after the 2 years. It brings the countries and the custom union together. The fourth ministerial conference in the Doha in 2001 approved China entry to WTO and the launched the Doha Development Project. Next is function of WTO. Some functions are performed by the WTO. The main functions are as below: to implement the rules and regulation of the World Trade Organization. Second is to provide the platform to the member countries to decide future strategy related to the trade and tariff. It is a platform where all the country members come together and make the decision about the welfare of the world. Next, to administrate the rule and process related to the dispute settlement, to assist international organizations like the International Monetary Fund and IBRD, to provide the facilities for the implementing, administrating, and the operation of multilateral bilateral agreement of the world. The World Trade Organization. The World Trade Organization agreements are as below. The World Trade Organization rules and regulations are a result of negotiation between the members. The consent were the outcomes of the 186 to 93 Uruguay round negotiation, which include a major revision of the original agreement on tariff and trade. The General Trade Agreement on the tariff and trade is also established in this. The compare set of the some 30,000 pages consisting of about the 30 agreement are commitment made by the individual member. In the World Trade Organization agreement, there are three aspects which are discussed. First is goods, services, and the intellectual property. First are good. It all began with the trade in goods from 1947 to 94. JET was formed for negotiating lower custom duty rates and other trade barriers. It was an assist dealing with the specific sectors such as the agriculture, specific issue like the state trading and the action trading, again the dumping. All the activities like the dumping are not included in the World Trade Organization. Next is services. Services like the banking, insurance firm looking to do business abroad to enjoy the free trade. JET also starting the free services in this. The foreign competition become very high and those markets are very much affected by the JET. Next is the intellectual property. The World Trade Intellectual Property amounts to the rules for the trade and investment. The headquarters of the World Trade Organization is established in Central William Geneva, that is in Switzerland. Next, members and observers country. The World Trade Organization has 164 members and 23 observer government. Liberia became 163rd member on 14th July 2016 and Afghanistan became 164th member on 29th July 2016. The present General Director is Robert Azevedo of Brazil. It was established as a General Director since the September 1st, 2013. Next are the objectives of the World Trade Organization. First, to increase the living of standard of members, to ensure full employment and a broad increase in the effective demand, to enlarge the trade and production, to protect the environment by providing globalized view of world economy, to accept the concept of the sustainable development. Next, merits and demerits of the World Trade Organization. Merits: increase in the foreign demand, increase in the agriculture export, increase in the flow of the foreign investment, improvement in the services. Demerits: disadvantage to agriculture sector, loss to domestic industry, patent of the Indian herbs are for by the foreign companies, tramples humans and labor rights. Next, this is a list of the past general director of JET and the WTO. These are the other general directors. Now, this is the table round in which WTO is up and JET is established. First is Geneva. It was established in April 1947. It took 7 months with the countries of 23. The main objective of this is tariff. Another is NAC. It was established in April 1949. It took 5 months and 34 countries are included. Then in Tokyo, Geneva 2, Dilian, Kennedy, Tokyo. Tokyo was established in September 1973 with 74 months and the 102 countries. The main subject is that tariff, non-tariff and the measures taken by the WTO. Next is Doha. Doha November. It was established in November 2001 with the 159 countries and the subject of this was tariff, non-tariff, transparency and the patents, etc. The principles of the World Trade Organization. There are the three most principles of the World Trade Organization. First is the most favored nation treatment. The principle of MFN treatment laid down that tariff and regulation must be applied to the import and export without discrimination among the members. It established a platform where the imports and export are easily done without any discrimination. That's why it's called a favored nation. Next is a national treatment policy. It provides a discrimination between the import product and the equivalent domestically product goods, especially in the levying the international law and the domestic regulation. It is a principle of the international law. Next is it is called as the principle of international law. Next is the reciprocity, international trade, lowering of the impact, import and duties, and the cheap trade barrier of return for the similar concession from the another country. Reciprocity is a traditional principle of JET and WTO, but it is a practicable only between the developed nations due to their roughly matched economics. Last is conclusion. As we all know, India as a developing economy, it has been benefited. Being in a founding member of the WTO, the country of the large has been many significant changes which has taken place after the foundation of the World Trade Organization. There are some issues which are yet to be sorted out with the WTO, but by large things are falling in shape for the Indian economy. As a result, India is a developing World Trade Organization also going on rising with the help of all the efficient sources and its efficient members. Thank you.